Look at face. Say good morning. We're blurry. Say good morning.
Good morning. Your finger blocking my good morning.
Yes, Sarah. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. You guys see us? Striding down the street. Yes, Sarah. Good morning. Heading to work and to school. Dropping the kids off first. Then babe and I are gonna take the bus. We decided to not take the car with the gas shortage. Leaving the car full for emergency or when we definitely need it. So we're heading to drop off the kids right now and then jump on the bus. So enjoy today's vlog. Hopefully you guys have a good day. We are gonna have a good day and you're gonna be and be and be and be pay. Very good. You're gonna have a good day, right? Right? You're gonna walk from mama, walk. Wait, mama gonna put you down a little bit. Oops. Take up, baby. Come. No, it's wait, Sarah. No. Good job. Come on. Wait, mama soon take you up. Mama soon take you up. Let's go pick tomatoes for the birds, okay? So that's what we're yeah, I know. So that's what we're doing right now. So as you guys can see, I'm multitasking down the street. Tyler, you're gonna be
Nice.
and be
Green.
very good and have a good yes. All right, you guys. Eh? I'll see you guys later.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Later stroll. Oh, you guys, I washed my hair this morning. I got up and instead of working out this morning, I washed my hair within the workout time. So that's what I gotta do and navigate in these different times that I do used to, but making it work and being on time, very important. So again, I'm out. See you guys later. Look at face.
Hey, this is cool.
Yeah, you guys, this ow, Sarah, no. You guys, this is me talking to you guys in almost the exact same spot that I talked to you guys in this morning. It's now the afternoon. I'm going to pick up my girl from school as Tyler is at sports and is heading back home. She wanted to go on my neck, so neck ride it is. I remember when my dad used to carry me like this growing up as a kid. Now she come and want me to carry her like this. What is she doing in my hair? You ask, I have no idea. Yes. But anyway, had a long day today. Lots and lots of work at school. Got home. Had 1 hour before I go pick up the kids. so I took a 1 hour power nap. What is she doing? I took a 1 hour power nap. I needed it. Woke up and went straight to get Sarah. So Papa is gonna get Tyler. Hopefully you guys are doing well. I am heading back home right now to go and make dinner and then head to homework and try and edit a bit. Hey! Sarah, don't do that. Yes, Sarah. You guys, I'm back on the multitasking train. I am making dinner while this girl is calling Mama a million and one times.
Mama?
Yes, Sarah. I'm trying to throw this chicken in the oven real quick. Ah? Araignée, yes. You want araignée?
Yeah.
Okay. She's too funny. Anyway, you guys, I'm making on the menu today is chicken, broccoli, and I'm gonna make some mac and cheese for the kids so that they can have that for today and tomorrow. So I'll have to cook tomorrow. Cooking every day these days ain't working out for me. So chicken going in the oven right now. I'm gonna cut up this broccoli and use the broccoli, and I think I have a plantain somewhere that I can fry. So we're gonna also have plantains on the list. It's almost time for me to start making soup for dinner as the time gets colder and colder, which I'm so looking forward to. I couldn't tell the last time I have some soup. It's been a long time since I have soup. I'm repacking Sarah's snack for the next day. That way I don't have to worry about it in the morning, because I won't have time to pack these things in the morning. So packing them from overnight is what works for me. And I put a little bit of pretzel. Her snack doesn't really change. And then, because the rest of it can't hold in the pan, I'm gonna put it in her bag just as it is. So she's gonna have a juice and she's gonna have chocolate milk. Okay. She's down there watching TV. Look at him. You see her? Little one is already eating. Here's a quick look on dinner. There goes my plate. Papa plate.
Mama, what's this?
What is it? Tell me.
What's this?
What is it? What is that?
What is that?
Broccoli.
What's that?
Chicken.
What's that?
Plantain.
What's that?
Broccoli.
What's that?
Pasta.
What's that?
Plantain.
What's that?
Plantain.
What's that?
It's plantain.
What's this?
Plantain.
Thank you.
You guys didn't see him, but you guys can hear him. Oh, this light is bright. My baby boy came home with a headache. He ate dinner and I sent him to his room to lay down in the dark so his headache could go away after he took his medicine. And he's knocked out sleeping. He had a busy weekend, plus he had fire drill at school today, and he said it triggers off his headache and he's not feeling well. So you guys didn't get to see Tyler much, but he's not doing 100. Just put Sarah down for a nap. Finished doing most of what I need to do for today. I am going to now head to do my homework and call it a day and jump in bed. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'm gonna see if I can come back and end it with Babe. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Almighty God.
Yellow buzz.
Baby, your hand gonna be yellow. Why would you do that?
Boom, yellow buzz.
And I told you guys that I was going to try and come back and end the vlog with Babe, but this is like 2 days
Torture for
after
you to end the
that
vlog with
clip.
me? It's torture for you to end the vlog with me?
You guys tell I'm in my studio school mood with my glasses on and look all fancy. So like I said, it's 2 days since that clip. I told you that I'm gonna try and come back and end it because that ending didn't happen that night. Had too much to do. This one went to bed, leave me. You go to bed, leave me every night.
Well, if she gone to bed at midnight and this last day, I don't know if it's the weather. I'm also getting cold. It just, at sometimes I just crash. It's like earlier, I just crash. So I don't know, I'm just tired like this. I guess I paid the weekend that we had. So I don't know, I'm just crashed. So sometimes it's just, there's no way I can stay up.
He did not work out with me this morning.
Nope.
Tell me about his throat. Like, is his throat working out?
No, but
And
that's,
it's not his foot and his hand.
yeah, okay.
Excuse.
Yeah.
So you're gonna tell me your throat tomorrow morning?
Probably. No, tomorrow morning I'll wake up.
Anyway, you guys want to know how is school? School is kicking my butt. A 6 and it's just week 2. Kicking me left, right and center. But I'm powering through, okay? Powering through. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. My baby's already bed. Catch up and keep up with us. And we'll definitely see you guys tomorrow.